it was very clear, I think, before we started shooting. We had one day where we all got together at this adorable little home that the producers were living in, and we had some sandwiches, and we sat around, and Destin gave us these cool little Hawaiian chocolates, and we talked about it, and
but nobody ate anything.
No one ate. Everyone was too nervous, and
the food looked really good, but no one wanted to touch it.
And we all kind of talked, and we learned Big Booty for the first time, and we were terrible at it. We were terrible at it for a long time. But I think even then there was this sense that we were all doing. I don't know. I guess I was also so impressed by the kids. We were all there for the right reason. Dustin had me do improvs, just a couple minute long improvs with each kid, and I think Alex Calloway is kind of an extreme and perfect example of this, that he's the one who plays Sammy, and he came up to me right at the very beginning of the day. I was like, I love video games, and I love Scott Pilgrim, and I love this, and he was just so exuberant, and I thought, well, that's an interesting choice for this, not how I necessarily read it, but that's interesting. Cool hair. And then we went to go do this improv, and Dustin said, okay, Alex, I want you to get into Sammy's zone, and Bree, you're going to be Grace, and I want you to try and kind of get into his world. And you see him go from this attentive person who's listening to Dustin just kind of go, and he just slumped down in his chair, and I was so blown away. And that was the thing that I was continually impressed by and inspired by every day, was this ability for these kids to go from coming from a very happy, excited, creative, inspired place, and then they were able to tap into this well that's so beyond them in so many ways. I just felt so excited to be around them every day.
I'm glad